trying to accomplish a concrete finish, basically the layering process, you start with basing it out with your standard gray. And then after the standard gray, I basically come in and I moisten the paint. It's dried, but I hit it with spray bottle, and then I take a sponge where I get it absorbed with the color of paint, and I come in and I sponge it like so. It's just a slight indifference than the main gray. And at the right process of that drying is when you can come with a rag and slightly smear it and tap it back and forth, so you're not getting just sponge marks, you're getting that smeared in feel. And you do that process laid over with about 3 different colors, where I mix my blacks in with my grays to get the layering effect or the color I want. So basically it's a process of sponging, dabbing with rags with the right dryness. It's kind of difficult to understand, but you have to smear it just when it's at the right dry, because you don't want it to just all smear together. You want it to show some of the crispness from the sponge. You want to smear it in like a concrete would. So it's a process of layering over as many times as you want, because I could have kept going, but I thought this looked the best, and so I stopped at that point after